Today we are going to show you how to install the 4x4 Patriot Post Mount by ColorGuard. This kit comes fully boxed and includes steel post, high-density 4x4 fillers, adjustment leveling plate, and screws. Sleeves are sold separately. The Patriot works on any vinyl, PVC, composite, or aluminum sleeve that will fit a normal 4x4 wood post. It's rated for 500 pounds of pressure, and unlike a typical wood post, the Patriot won't warp, twist, or split. Before you install the Patriot Post Mount, you'll need to gather your safety glasses, fasteners for your type of decking material, a socket wrench, level, speed square, and a drill. Pro tip: mounting on a wood deck? For extra stability, get the optional SPB kit for underdeck mounting. To install, first add the adjustment screws to the post base. Determine where you are going to mount the post and mark 4 mounting holes for pre-drilling. Then drill. Secure the post with the fastening screws, but don't tighten all the way yet because the post still needs to be leveled. Next, adjust the leveling screws. The Patriot Post Mount can be leveled up to 11 degrees in any direction. Once leveled, secure the 4 fasteners. Using the pre-drilled holes, attach the fillers. For a 36-inch post sleeve, attach the fillers in the downward direction. To install a 44-inch sleeve, simply attach the fillers in the upward direction. Slide on the sleeve, and you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.